Dear colleague, I write to you from a narrow wooden desk suspended high above the forest floor. The air hums with cicadas. Bromeliads spill rainwater in silver threads. Below me, everywhere yet unseen, the ant civilizations we both study and love parade throughout the forest. I have made some unexpected observations about the ant societies in this rainforest. With the photographic help of my student, Mr. Kilburn, I have created a model that you can use to explore our findings. It seems that diplomatic complications prevent me from shipping my specimens out of the country. I myself have been barred from leaving until the municipal government of this region has decided to let me leave. However, with the help of some friends here, I've managed to get you this parcel, which contains my findings as well as this one specimen I could send to you. The ant life here is absolutely fascinating, with species trading resources and traits for dominance over the forest floor. They leverage existing worker forces and interact with one another, competing for aphids to tend to. Others seem to reject this passive lifestyle in favor of a more risky but rewarding predatory behavior. And even others have been found in a multitude of nectar sources to sustain themselves. Some small portion of these species even seem to parasitize others. Many unique and exotic ants here have bizarre lives, but it seems they all flee from the invasive species brought in by traders a few decades earlier. I observed many wondrous things here, and granted I am able, I wish to write more regarding my findings. But I first must share what Mr. Kilburn and I have recently encountered. Not only did we find ants that store nectar like bankers, but Mr. Kilburn also said he encountered a peculiar fly. He claimed that it was attacking the ants and making them go crazy, and at first I did not believe him. Then he showed me a photograph of the creature, and I had no choice but to believe it. One ant seemed to feed a jelly-like fungus with caterpillar excrement, and yet another lives entirely underground with plump aphids that the species presumably herds like goats. We also found another species, very sturdy with workers but much smaller colonies. The invasion seems to present a serious problem for the ants here, as Mr. Kilburn and I have observed. We must attempt to make others aware of their plight. Please share about our situation with whomever you see fit and teach them about our findings using the framework provided. The success of our research depends on its reception at home. I'm sure the higher-ups at Enterprise will want to see this letter. Please share it with them on my behalf and inform them of my situation. I plan to write to you again soon. We are chasing some local rumors we heard about a flat-faced ant living high up amongst the canopy leaves, but have been reined in for the past 3 weeks. I hope this parcel finds you well. Signed, Dr. Myrmekophilos, Field Myrmecologist at the Enterprise Department of Explorational Curiosity. Co-signed and photographed Mr. Josiah Kilburn. Join the adventure today and get your own copy of Dr. Myrmekophilos' Enterprise on www.armyofinsects.com. This is a strategic board game that uses ants to illustrate different types of biology that we actually see in the real world of myrmecology. Enterprise is a strategic hex tile board game about building the most efficient ant colony. Players roll for resources, acquire tiles, manipulate multipliers, and deploy special ant cards to outscore their opponents before the central supply runs out. This is the strategy game for ant lovers. It's 1 to 4 players, and when you play it, it takes 15 to 30 minutes. This is a fast, strategic tabletop game inspired by the hidden world of ants with the photography of Josiah Kilburn. Players compete by managing limited resources, adapting to changing conditions, and anticipating their opponent's moves. Every decision matters, and no two games play the same. It's easy to learn and hard to master, but a smart, competitive game built for repeat play. There are only a limited number of copies of the game physically made right now. So, if you go to the website, you may find that the game is on pre-order. In which case, don't worry, I'll get it to you as soon as I possibly can. We're working on ways to speed up the production process, and the more people who support us in this can help us purchase the game and continue to produce it and create expansions for it. In addition, it helps us know that there's an interest for this kind of a thing, and it helps keep me afloat and gives me passion to keep doing this. So again, if you liked any of the pictures you saw in this video, or you seem interested in the game and you want to support me, go check out my website at www.armyofinsects.com, where you can buy the Enterprise board game and check out what other things I do. Again, that's www.armyofinsects.com. And make sure you like this video and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more. I'm Josiah Kilburn, and this is Army of Insects. Thanks for watching.